I'm gonna play with some slime. See the first one in the second round. We are gonna play with the clear slime. Let's open. See. It's not so clear, but it's so nice. See me in round 3. Bye. Third round, we are trying the green slime. Let's see the green slime. Oh, it's like a gummy. So smoothie. Oh, smell it so nice. Come to round 4. Bye guys, bye. Round, we are taking the blue light slime. We want to see. Ooh, like a macaroni. So nice slime, smoothie and light. Bye guys, don't forget to put like and subscribe. Bye.